Hello and welcome back to the SPRO video channel. Today we're going to be looking at our new doorbell style intercom solution, the VI-STN04. Its sleek, modern design provides a smarter, more elegant looking solution than other intercoms, allowing you to enhance your home's security without compromising its appearance. This device isn't just aesthetically pleasing though, it's capable of performing in all weather conditions as well as being quick to install and easy to use. This intercom comes with a 2 megapixel camera, IR illumination, wide dynamic range, two-way audio, an IC card reader and a surface mount bracket, making it a complete intercom solution. Plus it's PoE powered and so requires no extra wiring during setup. With this cutting edge intercom you can easily control who enters your home or business premises. The outdoor station houses a microphone and a speaker, allowing you to communicate with whoever is at your door, giving you the power to ensure only authorized people are granted access. Let's now demonstrate how the intercom works so you can see how this system can give you the convenience and peace of mind you need. Let's take a look. With a single touch of the button, visitors can request entry, which sends a notification through to your phone. Pressing the notification will take you into the DMSS app, and from there you'll have the option to decide whether to reject the call, which is essentially denying the visitor access, or accept the call. Doing so will allow you to communicate with the visitor via its two-way audio, at which point you can press the padlock once and then again a second time to unlock the door. And with the intercom's 2 megapixel wide angle camera, you'll always be able to see who's at your door, even if they attempt to hide out of view. And what's more, the VI-STN04 integrates with SPRO CCTV systems, whether analog or IP. Used in this way, you'll be able to view your CCTV cameras and the footage from your doorbell intercom station side by side in a single app. Thank you for joining us today on the SPRO video channel. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the VI-STN04. With its elegant design and impressive functionality, it makes for an unbeatable choice when it comes to doorbell style intercoms. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from us here at SPRO.